Hey everyone, welcome to or back to the channel. In this video, I've got a rocket motor test burn. The initial burn we'll show again, which is about 3 seconds, and then we will show a quarter speed, 1/20th of speed, and then I don't know, it takes a minute and a half or something to show the what took 3 seconds in real life. Anyway, the most interesting thing about this is that the motor didn't actually light. It started to light and then it kind of fizzled out. So that's what this video is. Hope you enjoy it.